Ancients. Billions of batteries are discarded annually, but this facility gives them a second chance. We process thousands every hour. Once sorted, the mixed batteries move rapidly down the line. They are then flushed into the sorting mechanism for the next stage of recycling. Every day, thousands of pounds of hazardous materials cascade into our waterways. This is the cost of doing business. This is where the true danger lies. Once the casing is breached, the internal chemicals react violently with the solvent, creating this toxic foam. The perforated bucket scoops the wet cores from the wash tank, allowing the water to drain efficiently before swinging over to the conveyor for the next stage of processing. Once cleaned, these critical materials are swiftly moved along the conveyor system, ready for their next life cycle. This is where the real value is recovered. The vibrating mesh conveyor violently shakes the wet cores, forcing the dirty water through the perforations before a final, high-pressure dual-shaft shredder engages. Massive jagged teeth rotate inward, violently tearing the solid metal apart. Extreme friction sends sparks flying everywhere. Ripped apart in seconds, the shredder exposes the core materials. Intense sparks fly as the energy is neutralized, a crucial stage for resource recovery. The shredder breaks down the battery components, creating this valuable black mass. It's the key to sustainable energy. This is where the separation happens. The screen shakes the fine powder through, and then the powerful magnetic drum pulls the valuable metals away from the plastic stream. This is the raw black mass powder, freshly sorted. It flows like a heavy waterfall into the stainless steel funnel, ready for transfer. This is the kiln feed conveyor, moving the raw material into the searing heart of the rotary kiln. The heat here reaches thousands of degrees. Inside the rotary kiln, temperatures soar as the black powder is continuously tumbled by the steel flights, ensuring the rotary kiln superheats the feedstock, creating this jet black powder. It funnels directly into the pulverizer, ready for processing.
The cross-blade pulverizer spins at high velocity, violently striking the dry black powder. This ensures
This is the future of fine milling. The dual rollers achieve particle sizes previously thought impossible, critical for advanced manufacturing. This vibrating fine sieve is the heart of the purification process. The black powder cascades into the reactor tank. Inside, the mixing blades begin their work, ensuring a perfect blend every time. Change this script into a natural American English native voice. Short sentences, fast pace, emotional emphasis, not robotic. The chemical slurry, fresh from the reactor, oozes heavily from the pipe, a thick gray ribbon sliding down the chute, heading directly to the filter press. The slurry hits the membrane, initiating the dewatering process. The clarified fluid is discharged rapidly, leaving the solid cake behind. Gushing at high speeds, this brownish-gray solvent is key to the entire operation, moving rapidly into the reactor for the final stage. This is the heart of the dewatering process, isolating the solids while the purified water streams away. The slurry has now formed a thick, solid circular cake. Steam rises from its damp, textured surface before it moves quickly to the breaker. Here the filter cake is rapidly churned by the screw auger, transforming the wet clumps into a fine paste before the hydraulic press compacts the material with precision.
with a deft drawing stress of moisture.
Next, the block travels down the conveyor and into the high-temperature drying tunnel. Here, the intense heat will remove the remaining moisture. The infrared tubes reach temperatures exceeding 1,000 degrees, quickly drying the mixture and creating the distinct cracking pattern seen here. Change this script into a natural American English native voice. Short sentences, fast pace, emotional emphasis, not robotic. The rotary blades violently smash the hard chunks, creating a thick cloud of fine powder. This smooth, consistent flow is the result.
This newly refined, bone-dry powder flows beautifully down the polished steel chute, a mesmerizing cascade.
Through intense vibration, the beige powder is meticulously sifted, creating mesmerizing concentric rings as it's refined. From the final sieve, the lightweight powder flows seamlessly, ready for storage in our state-of-the-art facility. Change this script into a natural American English native voice. Short sentences, fast pace, emotional emphasis, not robotic. Blasting thick powder into woven sacks, this high-speed automated system handles heavy streams with incredible precision, maximizing output. Change this script into a natural American English native voice. Short sentences, fast pace, emotional emphasis, not robotic. The precise heat sealing ensures product integrity as the bags move swiftly to the automated palletizing system. Secure your shipments with unparalleled speed and precision. This state-of-the-art wrapper ensures every pallet is locked tight for transit. With extreme precision and speed, the stretch film locks the cargo in place. It's a violent unspooling, guaranteeing maximum load stability every time. The final layer of protection, applied with unmatched speed. We guarantee that every shipment, the heat bar slices the film cleanly, ensuring a tight seal. Then the pallet seamlessly moves onto the conveyor system, streamlining the entire process. And once the wrap is complete, the heavy-duty rollers spring to life, moving the pallet smoothly down the line, immediately clearing the way for the next one. Keyless. Utilizing the latest in automated logistics, this hub processes thousands of units daily. The turntable spins. Look at that tension. The wrap is flawless, protecting the woven texture beneath. Its high-resolution security.
The electric forklift approaches the conveyor line, its forks slide precisely beneath the heavy pallet.
Watch it move, smooth and precise down the central aisle. That's a heavy pallet of recycled metal powder, handled with ease. With precision and power, the mast elevates the load, securing critical inventory high above the floor. Efficiency at altitude. Look at the scale. This isn't just storage, it's the beginning of a revolution. This facility alone handles thousands of tons of recovered materials daily. Everything here is slated for re-entry into the manufacturing.
Absolute pristine cleanliness, secured for transit. It's ready for the journey from our dock to yours.
From the warehouse floor to the open sea, your freight is handled with precision. We don't stop until the job is done.
In the heart of the operation, efficiency is everything. We rely on powerful machinery to keep the supply chain.
It's a monumental effort. But every shipment leaving this complex represents a vital step towards a sustainable future. Change this script into a natural American English native voice. Short sentences, fast pace, emotional emphasis, not robotic.